welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Marcia. And Marcia says that she feels sorry for the person that are sitting down and listening to this lady who's talking about her. Basically, she is saying that, they're sick and she's really, really sorry for them. So we'll catch the video, hear what Marcia has to say. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. So when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there, my wonderful friends who are celebrating their birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my friends, my supporters, and well wishers, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day.
I talk about and a minute somebody I talk about somebody I talk about for himself. So me just kiss my teeth and me say let me just wait until the dark shit come off before me come from my page. Me say me wait until the whole slut come off before me come on and come say hello to no. Before me go back to my movie. Because me can't bother come on social media with them are people that were delusional. Them are people that are so sick people. The whole lot of them we sit down and watch her, uno sick. Me not ask you no. The whole lot of uno we sit down and listening to that woman. A draw picture and a talk and a something. God up a heaven knows God go heaven. Me feel sorry for no. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Me feel sorry for no, me not lie. No. For the people when me see uno over the page there. When me see that the woman there a draw up and a talk and a something about me a draw up face and whatever. Uno is a sick individual. Then uno could tell me say I saw uno life bad. I saw uno could tell me say uno living in a world like this. And uno work in a nursing home. Uno work in a hospital. Uno watch television. Uno just come out a disaster. Where people right now in a shelter. Them friends and family house. Them hurricane take away the house. And uno dey on social media watching foolishness. Uno sick. Uno need to see a psychiatrist. Then I saw uno unhappiness. Might as well not go take up on like a homeless man like me then and make yourself happy. Because at least I'm a human being. At least I'm have life. Because uno unhappy bad. Might as well not go find one homeless man like me find a homeless man and clean him up. Might as well. Might as well allow the rich one no attack. Might as well not just dash on the riches and come poor like me. And stagnant like me. Because the stagnant somebody right away, so it's surely ras happy. Because uno are the one we have a big job. The big house, the nice cars and everything, the money in a bank. And uno dey on social media 12 o'clock at night I listen to people I discuss another woman where surely happy. So something's wrong with you. So what can you do to help yourself with those depressions that you're going through and this unhappiness that you go through? You just have to live in the circumstances. If you man give you a problem, left them. Happy Thanksgiving to Canadian people. Me forget. Me not even know say it come so quick. Me know until this evening when we are talking about Thanksgiving and somebody say Canadian Thanksgiving. So big up to all my lovely supporters them. Happy belated Thanksgiving. Because if me did know me write up on my page and wishing happy Thanksgiving. One of the things that you have to do, instead of sitting on pages and discuss foolishness, you need to seek the Lord. Happiness is getting rid of whatever make you unhappy, you know. Say if the woman have a man and make you unhappy, get rid of him and leave him. If you have a job and you're unhappy, it walk out and get something else. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3. And if you don't find yourself spinning around in a circle, go seek the Lord. It's very easy. Work with it in our means. Stop pick up trials and tribulation and big house and big care when you can't afford. And when you're happy. Stop run down man when I want to know. And stop go east and west go take up man where no know no can help. And that now if you do get rid of so many happiness, you know. That is it. Uh-huh. Una can live off other people happiness. In a go walk. Let me try to turn this down. It's not gonna work. So it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. Una there talking about me. When Marcia happy like a lamb. When Marcia happy like a lamb. Whether me a 65, 70, 80, or 90, well happy. Well happy, honey. And stress free. Very unhappy and very happy and stress free with a nice man on my hand. Yes. Whether me have to share him or share him not. Well a half and half. Well half of me, half of the other woman. Well happy with that. Yes, my dear. If a girl man a run down, it's not your fault. Take him. As long as him do have on a ring on him finger. So to all the single ladies out there, if a man a run down, take him. As long as him know married. As long as him don't married to the woman, listen to me. Him free to go anywhere you want to go. So this is what Marcia telling you. If a girl man a run down and a fool no fault, take him as long as him don't have a wedding ring. If you have a wedding ring, run. That's what I want to be not telling you to take. Yes, my dear. So it don't make no sense. No sense whatsoever. So I'm here to talk to these people out there who talk about me. Go and seek a psychiatrist. Because you know win me no day, no time soon. Me not ask you no. Go and seek a psychiatrist. You know are lonely, sad, and you need professional help. You cannot allow people of those caliber to lead not astray. It don't make no sense. Some of the things that me see we now waste no time I focus on page. It don't make no sense. A big woman like a uno sit down on page and say woman a drawing chin and hair and this and lip and say lip a rotten off ear and the chin. Then a who no have ear and the chin out there? Who don't have ear and the chin? Who don't have one and two gray hair in the eyebrow? I have it. And so what? I have it. Me have one and two gray in my eyebrow. So what? Nature. So what? Me have ear in my chin, ear grow. Oh, so what? What you go and do about it? If you don't like it, welcome, take on your teeth and pick it out. So what? That's why we need a woman and man. So what? I'm proud of it. I'm a man love it. So what? What are we going to do? Sit down on page and look like a damn idiot? You think where people are show up on social media, my face look like that? When Facebook camera and YouTube camera is one of the most powerful 3D camera, you are looking at ear follicles. You think I am going to be coming out here and say me not have ear in my chin. Me have irregular hormone from me at 19 years old. My period used to come every 6 months. And because of that, yes, I grow hair under my chin and stuff. So over 30 years, me have figure have wax my face or do something. I may stop wax and me use electrolytes or something. So what? How much I wanna sit down on that woman page and watching that mad woman carrying the same thing over and over every day? Uno sick stomach. Uno can't talk about nobody face. Come looking at my face is clean and pretty, honey. If you're looking at my face, don't you not see one here, you not see one bump, you not see nothing like that. Who you think you're talking to? Who no wish, who for lip she think she a drop? Join up my lip when time me have my lipstick and my lipstick dry, and I bring in the camera close. Them are sexy ass lips here. Eh? Where you looking at dry lipstick? What looking at who for neck will look old? Looking at what? Looking at what? Looking at me dimple, the hole with the dimple in my chin. Looking at a 3D camera, which whatever. I am what I mean, are you people stupid? At that to no come on Facebook for waste no time, pan. Me want to know if I it to no come on social media for waste no time from for list for look for another woman or talk about another woman. Then who are the one have the sexiest lips out of social media? Draw up some blogger lips right now and draw up mine. And who have the sexy lip? Marcia Campbell have one of the sexiest lips in a blogging world. Me I ask you. Shape good, look good, and everything. And kissable and nice. I have one of the most sexiest lips out here and one of the best teeth on social media. In this a blogging world, I ask you. One of the best looking teeth and one of the best smile, I take it back. Me boast about that. I have one of the sexiest lips out here and one of the best smile out here in the blogging world. My natural teeth them and my teeth them. No false teeth around here. Sexy lips and one of the most perfect teeth. And anywhere me go, me get compliments. From even dentists where I brush my teeth every 6 months. So who no sit down, who no talking to? Looking at dry lipstick and talking about sore the pan off my mouth. You see me walk around and suck wood? You see me walk around and suck the girls in thing? If you catch if you go have sore lips, then where sore lips come from? Me have disease. If you go catch sore lips. And them there's something that will not come on social media. For in hours of Sunday night. For come on somebody page. 600 and other waste time and a chat and a whisper. Uno unhappy. Uno cannot talk about somebody who's stress free. Then I mean uno sick. Then if you know then me a big deal. Down to me say down to me natural aging of having gray hair in my eyebrow. Of course me have one and two gray in my eyebrow just like anybody else. How many times have I come out here and teach, and let the whole of you know, say, listen, from in my 19, 17 year, irregular hormone cause hair growth. Irregular hormone cause hair growth. How much of you out here have how much hair on the phone chin? How much of you have one and two grain in the eyebrow? Me a 51 year old, I'll be 52 February. Me a gray on my ras front from in my 30s, me see gray hair. How much of you have gray down on the pussy? How much of you? One and two gray. Then who you talking to? Who sister who need to get a life. Then one expect say, one come on social media and show them and a job face and a show ear and a chin. Is that blogging? Who sister the woman mental? Who don't sister the woman is a mental woman. Somebody can come out of social media every God almighty day and lift by my name and I show the same picture, the same thing every day. The woman is a mental nutcase. Why is it you guys are feeding somebody who is mental? Uno not do her no favor, Because I know the reason why uno watch her is because she come like an idiot and like because uno don't like me come in there. Uno know what she's doing is not stable at all. She's a very unstable woman. I mean, just looking at her history. Just the way she was brought up on this situation and life situation, uno know so the woman mental. Before uno get her up some money and tell her to go seek a psychiatrist, uno sitting there listening to the same thing every day over and over. So what happened? Uno becoming mental too. The whole of uno sit down on her page and listen to the bullshit where she a chat. The whole of uno have ear. The whole of uno. The whole of uno have ear ago. Me go in a beauty salon every single day. Me see people come and wax and a wax and a wax and me remember a couple years ago I was at Jamaica Avenue where Jennifer used to work. And me see one beautiful girl at hairdresser, the whole of the girl here. Underneath her chin and her two side I draw black and bumpy. And she's at the wax them and the ear them. She said, and she a wear ear cover it up and the ear make matters worse. Me introduce her to my laser guy a Bronx when me go 2 times. One Indian doctor. Me give her the number and call a couple months before pass at Jamaica Avenue. If you ever see the girl, give me a big rotted hug. When me go up there, figure ask me to say something. The girl face is as pretty like our. She said, thank you, Marcia. I went and I get the laser treatment. She said her boyfriend wouldn't even kiss her. Eh? Then who no can talk? My pretty face? Who you think you talking to? Eh? Who for lip them I talk about? Not mine. Somebody can come on social media can talk about my lip a rat and my lip sore. When that the individual there lip, she don't even have a lip. And right that don't even have a lip, her lip lean, go around a corner because she suck too much wood and smoke cigarette. Then I can't talk about them a nice sexy lips, yeah. And heavy when me walk on road. And the first thing man said to me, oh my your lips are so sexy. Boy, me I tell boy, me I kiss them off right now. Them are sexy lips, yeah, and them are pretty teeth, yeah. Them are sexy lips, yeah, them are perfect pearly white, natural white teeth. When me never got a dentist got put in no teeth yet, and put in no false teeth. Them are pretty teeth, them are sexy ass lips that she talking about. I wanna sit down there and listen to foolishness and I call people stagnant. Oh, uno can't stagnant? Uno can't call me stagnant. Stagnant where? Me never stagnant in my life yet. Me only have disappointment. Stagnant where? Me come out of Woodland Village and go book in a Marriott resident in and live there so for almost 1 year with how much $1,000. You can't stagnant and come out of one apartment and go in a one more expensive apartment. May I pay over $2,000 a month? Plus car insurance. 7 days of restaurant and food. 70 and 8 lot of gas every couple days. Straight 7 days a week. Are you who no calling stagnant? And who no live in a house and can't live like me? You know, say me live like a movie star. Then uno say basically a grudge, no grudge me a bad mind of me. Then a which one uno then a which one uno out there in a position like a me where uno could leave one apartment and go in a one resident in by Marriott go live. For how many years, for how long? Who no talking to? Eh? Who no talking to? Eh? Uno say basically a grudge, no grudge me. That's a rich lifestyle. Uno a idiot. Is uno a idiot? No, uno are jealous. Which one a person can be stagnant, live on a old part and go in a Marriott resident, go live in a biggest hotel and go live for how long? Eh? I mean I get government help. Then a who stagnant like a uno. Me a free single man and me do what me want to do with my money, and live how me want to live. Who no calling stagnant and someone who can't even go buy one Jamaican food. And me that Jamaican restaurant 7 days a week, 2 times a week, 2 times a day sometime. And plus me I go a big restaurant, go name. And someone who don't got them restaurant near unless a birthday and special occasion. I mean name of them this place there every week. Then who not talk to? Then who not talking to? Who no stagnant?